Hey guys, welcome back to another video of V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. My name is Ratul and I'm your host for today's video. Guys, did you know WhatsApp has launched two incredible AI features? And these features really blow your mind. Yes, just watch this video till the end. Because in this video, we are going to discuss about those two mind-blowing features of WhatsApp. Guys, as you know, Meta already has released their own AI tool which is called Meta AI, which is integrated with WhatsApp and other Meta products. So now WhatsApp has launched two new AI features which we are going to discuss today. So it sounds interesting, right? Keep watching this video till the end to learn more about the feature. So without further delay, let's get into the video. To see the features, let me open the WhatsApp.
WhatsApp, window, home screen 1 of 1. WhatsApp, unlock to use WhatsApp. Fingerprint authenticated. WhatsApp, scan to pay button.
So my focus is on now scan to pay. So first feature, to see the first feature, let me swipe from left to right.
Camera button. More options button. Ask Meta AI or search heading.
Ask Meta AI or
Message,
search.
WhatsApp.
Yes, now you can
options,
search the Meta AI. I mean, you can use the Meta AI in the search box. See,
Ask Meta AI or search heading.
ask Meta AI or search. So here either you can search your chats within the groups or personal chats, and as well as you can also use this search box as a Meta AI. You can ask any questions and Meta AI will open. So let me see. So I'm just opening the search
Ask Meta
box
editing.
and just
Ask
type
Meta AI
hi.
or search. Capital H window board. Capital G. Capital H. I. 2 minutes. Delete. Window 2 minutes. 55 M. Window stop M. Window board. Delete. V. Space. I. Full stop. Search.
So search button is there.
Stop recording.
Okay.
Image.
Then
3.
this recordings things are
Back.
there.
Send button. Grid.
See,
Send button.
send button is also there. Okay. So where is the send button? See.
Editing high. Edit box. Send button.
Just click on send button and
Message.
see, it will take you to
WhatsApp.
the
Editing. Message.
Meta
Edit
AI.
box.
See.
Hi again. I'm loving our frequent hellos today. It's great to have you here. If you're feeling chatty, I'm happy to engage in a conversation. If not, I can also share some fun facts or interesting tidbits to brighten your day. Just let me know what's on your mind, and I'll do my best to help. 8:41 p.m. and list 43 items.
That's great. I sent multiple times hi today. So that's why this is the response from Meta AI. Meta AI said like this. So this is incredible feature. Now you do not need to open the Meta AI and then ask anything. Okay, you can just ask anything in the search box of WhatsApp and that's enough. Okay, so this is the first feature. To see the next feature, we need to open any chat. You can do it in a group or you can do it the personal chat. I have opened my own chat. Yes, I have opened my own chat, and now to see the next feature, click on attach button.
Attach button.
And now I'm just
Pop-up
swiping
window.
from left to
Gallery.
right.
Camera. Location. Contact. Document. Audio. Poll. Imagine.
Imagine, yes, this is the feature Imagine. Now you can directly create the image. Yes, that directly you can create the image while you are composing the message, or you can directly create the GIF also, GIF also, and send it. Okay, so let's see how to create. So to do that, click on Imagine. After clicking on, if you're doing first time, you need to click on continue, but for me it will open the keyboard. See,
Pose. Anything. Anything. Edit box.
so it is
Showing
typing
English.
anything.
India.
So
QWERTY.
just
Keyboard.
let me paste something.
Expanded. Drag handle. Editing anything. Edit box. Pasted. A green forest with many birds chirping and a stream is flowing with action button. Button.
Okay, some action button is there. Just double tap here.
Send. Keyboard hidden.
Send. If you want to see,
Imagine regenerate. Button.
imagine or generate. Okay.
Animate.
See.
Button. Generated selected image. Image.
So generated. So whenever you are typing, the image will automatically generate. You don't need to click on generate or send or something. Okay, image is automatically generated. Then
Animate. Button.
animate. If you click on animate, it will be looking like a GIF. Okay, so let me click
Close. Button.
and see.
Generated selected image. Image.
So it is generating.
Expanded. Drag handle. But Generated selected image. Image.
Just wait. See.
Close. Button.
Now, if you can see my screen, you can see it's a GIF. Okay.
Send.
Now send is there. If I click.
Message. WhatsApp.
Now see.
Attach. Thumb. Button. View GIF.
View GIF. So.
Forward to. Button.
See.
View GIF. Emoji. Button. Out of
So
list.
GIF is now created. So imagine can be used, like if this feature can be used to create images or GIFs directly within the chat. So these are two incredible AI features of WhatsApp. But unfortunately, I think you are not getting these two features, especially the last feature, imagine feature, because this is only for the beta versions right now. Very soon it will be released for the public. Let me know whether you have these features, you get these features or not into the comment section. And also don't forget to tell me how these features sounds to you into the comment section. That's it guys for the day. If you enjoyed this video, like the video, share the video. Subscribe to V.I Tech Academy for more useful tutorials. After subscribing, press the bell icon, choose all notifications so you will never miss any upload. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.